carbon monoxide detector battery operated, white S3000 BWES.
Hey travelers,
Split spectrum sensor looks for both fast burning and smoldering and tells you where the danger is. Get phone alerts so you know something's wrong even when you're away from home. 1.
That's perfect for your movie. Don't forget
X-Sense
to
10-year
press
battery,
subscribe
not
button and turn
hardwired,
on
smoke
the
and
bell
carbon monoxide detector with LCD display, dual sensor smoke CO alarm complies with UL 217 and UL 2034 standards, AutoCheck, SC01. X-Sense 10-year battery smoke and carbon monoxide detector with LCD display, dual sensor smoke and CO alarm complies with UL 217 and UL 2034 standards, AutoCheck, SC08. 10-year battery-operated smoke and CO alarm. A sealed lithium battery enables the unit to monitor your home 24/7, keeping you. X-Sense 2-in-1 smoke and carbon monoxide detector alarm, not hardwired, 10-year battery-operated dual-sensor fire and CO alarm, compliant with UL 217 and UL 2034 standards, SC06. 10-year battery-operated smoke and CO alarm. A sealed lithium battery enables the unit to keep you and your family safe. Smoke detector with escape light, X-Sense SD01 10-year battery, not hardwired, fire smoke alarm, compliant with UL 217 standard. Accurate, reliable, and sensitive. Integrating the most advanced photoelectric sensor, this smoke alarm quickly detects dangerous smoke levels from slow burn. SITERLINK smoke detectors battery operated, smoke alarm with test silence button, photoelectric sensor fire alarms smoke detectors. Advanced technology play button smoke alarm adopts photoelectric technology, which is more sensitive to light smoke and slow smoldering fires. Timely alarm, 85 dB sound is loud enough to alert all members at home. Smoke alarm fire detector, battery included photoelectric smoke detector. Test button test smoke alarm every week by pressing the test button in the middle of the cover for 5 seconds. Please change batteries when smoke detector inform low battery. Smoke alarm chirp every 32 seconds and the red LED flashes at the same. Kidde smoke detector with lithium battery, LED lights and replacement alert. Easy installation and no battery fuss. Smoke alarm will automatically activate when attached to the mounting bracket. Test silence button allows for test and silence of alarm. Replacement alert in. Ecoey smoke detector fire alarm with photoelectric technology, fire detector with test button and low battery signal, fire alarm for bedroom and home, FJ 136GB, 1 pack small. Test button allows you to test the fire alarm once a month. Low battery signal makes you can know whether the alarm has sufficient power easily. Easy installation, the smoke detector can easily install with mounting bracket. No hardwired anymore, and you can install it wherever you want. X-Sense smoke detector, 10-year battery fire smoke alarm with enhanced photoelectric sensor, LED indicator and silence button, SD2J0AX. Sensitive and accurate, built with an advanced photoelectric sensor and intelligent ST chipset, the alarm can quickly and accurately detect dangerous smoke levels from smoldering fires and provide the earliest possible warning of fires. The dust-proof isolating plate inside the alarm ensures the detection sensitivity.